Hello and welcome to the English Flow podcast. I am so happy you are here with me today. This is a safe place. This is a place where you can relax. You do not need to worry about being perfect. You do not need to stress about grammar rules today. Today, we are just going to talk. We are going to have a conversation about something very important. It is not about verbs. It is not about adjectives. It is about your heart. It is about your mind. We are going to talk about self-confidence. Confidence is a big word, but the meaning is simple. Confidence means you believe in yourself. Confidence means you are not afraid to try. When you learn English, confidence is the key. It is the secret ingredient. Many people know many words. They study books for years, but they cannot speak. Why? Because they do not have confidence. They are scared. Today, I want to help you fix that. I want to help you find your voice. I want you to feel strong when you speak English. So please take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Let's start this journey together. Let's think about why we are afraid. Why is speaking English scary? Usually, it is because we are afraid of mistakes. We think that if we make a mistake, people will laugh. We think that if we use the wrong word, we are not smart. This is a very normal feeling. Everyone feels this way. Even I feel this way sometimes when I learn a new thing. But I want to tell you a secret. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are your friends. Think about a small baby. When a baby learns to walk, what happens? The baby stands up. The baby takes one step. And then the baby falls down. Does the baby cry and stop? Does the baby say, "Oh no, I am bad at walking, I will never walk again"? No. The baby laughs. The baby stands up again. The baby tries again. The baby falls 10 times. The baby falls 100 times. But every time the baby falls, the baby learns. The baby learns balance. The baby learns strength. And one day, the baby walks. Then the baby runs. You are the baby. English is walking. You will fall. You will say the wrong word. You will use the wrong tense. That is okay. It is necessary. If you do not fall, you cannot learn to stand. So, the first step to confidence is to love your mistakes. When you make a mistake, smile. Say to yourself, "Good job. I tried. I learned." Now let's talk about another problem. We often look at other people. We compare ourselves to them. You see a person on the internet. They speak perfect English. They speak very fast. You see your friend. Your friend knows more words than you. You feel small. You feel sad. You think, "They are so good and I am so slow." Please stop doing this. Comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison steals your happiness. You must understand that everyone has a different journey. Imagine a garden. In a garden, there are many flowers. There is a rose. There is a sunflower. There is a daisy. The rose blooms in the spring. The sunflower blooms in the summer. They are different. One is not better than the other. They just bloom at different times. You are a flower in this garden. You will bloom at your own time. Do not look at the other flowers. Look at your own roots. Look at your own leaves. Give yourself water. Give yourself sunlight. The water is practice. The sunlight is patience. If you focus on your own growth, you will become beautiful. You will speak beautiful English, but you must be patient with yourself. You cannot rush nature. You cannot rush learning. Building confidence is like building a house. You cannot build the roof first. You must build the floor first. You must lay the bricks one by one. In English, the bricks are small actions. Do not try to speak for 1 hour today. That is too much. That is too heavy. Just speak for 1 minute. That is a small brick. Maybe today you only say hello to someone. That is a success. Maybe tomorrow you read 1 sentence out loud. That is a success. Celebrate these small wins. When you do something small, you feel good. You feel proud. This feeling is confidence. Confidence is not a destination. It is a feeling you build every day. It grows. It starts small, like a seed, and then it becomes a tree. So start small. Do not carry a heavy mountain. Carry a small stone. Move 1 stone every day. After 1 year, you will move the mountain. But you must start with the small stone today. I want to give you a simple tool. It is a tool you can use at home. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a book. You only need a mirror. Yes, a mirror. Many people are shy to speak to others. So, speak to yourself. Go to your bathroom. Look in the mirror. Look at your eyes. Smile at yourself. And then speak English. Say, "Hello. How are you? I am happy today. I am learning English. I am strong." It feels silly at first. You might laugh. That is okay. But do this every day for 2 minutes. When you speak to the mirror, there is no judgment. No one is listening. It is just you. You can make mistakes. You can be loud. You can be slow. This practice connects your brain to your mouth. It helps you get used to the sound of your voice in English. Many people do not like their English voice. They think it sounds strange. The mirror helps you love your voice. It helps you see yourself as an English speaker. Try this for 1 week. I promise you, you will feel different. You will feel more ready to speak to the world. Let's talk about the word fear. Fear is a feeling in your stomach. It makes you want to hide. But what is fear? Fear is just a story in your head. Fear says, they will not understand you. Fear says, you are not good enough. These are lies. These are not facts. The fact is that people are kind. Most people want to understand you. If you speak to a native speaker, they are usually happy to help. They are not waiting for you to fail. They want to connect with you. Language is about connection. It is about sharing ideas. It is not a test. When you speak, do not think about the exam. Think about the person. Look at their face, smile, use your hands. If you do not know a word, use a different word. If you cannot find the word, use a gesture. It is okay. The goal is to share a message. It is not to be a dictionary. A dictionary is perfect, but a dictionary has no heart. You have a heart. Speak from your heart. People will listen to your heart, even if your grammar is not perfect. Connection is more important than perfection. I want to tell you a story about a student named Maria. Maria was very shy. She came to class and sat in the back. She never raised her hand. She knew the answers, but she kept her mouth closed. She was afraid. One day, I asked Maria, "Why do you not speak?" She said, "I am afraid to be wrong." I told her, "Maria, being wrong is the only way to be right." I gave her a challenge. I said, "Maria, tomorrow I want you to make 5 mistakes. Please try to make mistakes." She was surprised. She laughed. But she tried it. The next day, she spoke. She made mistakes. And she saw that nothing bad happened. The sky did not fall. The class did not laugh. We just continued talking. Slowly, Maria became brave. Today, Maria speaks English every day at her job. She is not perfect. She still makes mistakes, but she does not care. She has confidence. She flows. Be like Maria. Give yourself permission to be imperfect. Give yourself permission to be a learner. A learner is not a master. A learner is someone who is growing. Be proud to be a learner. Another thing that stops our confidence is negative thoughts. We have a voice in our head. This voice can be mean. It says, "You are too old to learn." It says, "English is too hard." It says, "You will never be fluent." You must fight this voice. You must change the script. When the voice says, "It is too hard," you must say, "It is hard, but I can do hard things." When the voice says, "I am making mistakes," you must say, "I am learning from my mistakes." You must be your own best friend. Imagine your best friend is learning English. Would you tell your friend, "You are stupid"? No, you would say, "You are doing great. Keep going." So, why do you speak badly to yourself? Be kind to yourself. Kindness builds confidence. Criticism kills confidence. Every morning, wake up and say something kind to yourself. Say, "I am capable. I am intelligent. I am making progress." Your mind listens to your words. If you speak positive words, your mind becomes positive. If you speak negative words, your mind becomes fearful. Choose positive words. Sometimes we feel stuck. We feel like we are not moving. We study and study, but we feel the same. This is called the plateau. It is normal. It happens to everyone. When you are on a plateau, you think you are not learning, but you are. Your brain is working quietly. It is like a bamboo tree. A bamboo tree grows under the ground for 5 years. You see nothing above the ground. Then, in 5 weeks, it grows very tall. Learning English is like the bamboo. You are growing roots now. You are building a foundation. Do not give up because you cannot see the tree yet. The tree is coming. Trust the process. Trust your effort. If you stop now, you will lose the roots. If you keep going, you will see the results. Consistency is the key. Consistency means doing a little bit every day. It is better to study for 10 minutes every day than for 5 hours on Sunday. 10 minutes every day keeps the English fresh in your mind. It keeps the flow going. Let's think about the future. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are speaking English easily. You are at a coffee shop. You are talking to a friend from another country. You are laughing. You are telling a story. You feel light. You feel happy. You are not thinking about grammar. You are just talking. This future is possible. It is waiting for you. But to get there, you must be brave today. You must speak today. You must make a mistake today. Every time you open your mouth, you are one step closer to that dream. Do not let fear stop your dream. Fear is just a shadow. It cannot hurt you. Walk through the shadow. On the other side of fear is freedom. The freedom to travel. The freedom to work. The freedom to make new friends. English is a bridge to the world. Do not be afraid to cross the bridge. I want you to remember that you are not alone. There are millions of people learning English right now. They feel the same fear. They have the same doubts. You are part of a big community. We are all in this together. We are all learning. We are all growing. If you feel lonely, listen to this podcast. Let my voice be your support. I am here to tell you that you are doing a good job. Learning a language is one of the hardest things a human can do. It takes a lot of brain power. It takes a lot of courage. The fact that you are here listening to this means you are special. It means you have a goal. You have ambition. Respect yourself for that. Give yourself credit. You are doing something amazing. Finally, I want to leave you with a challenge. A small challenge for this week. I want you to find one opportunity to use English. Just one. Maybe you write a comment on a video in English. Maybe you say thank you to a tourist. Maybe you sing a song in English in your car. Just one small thing. Do it with a full heart. Do not worry about the result. Just enjoy the action. Action kills fear. Thinking creates fear. So, stop thinking and start doing. Move your body. Move your mouth. Let the English flow out of you. It does not have to be perfect. It just has to be real. You are real. Your voice matters. The world wants to hear your story. The world wants to hear your ideas. Do not hide them because of bad grammar. Grammar is just a tool. You are the master. Use the tool to build your life. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast today. I hope you feel a little bit stronger. I hope you feel a little bit lighter. Remember, confidence is a choice. Choose to be brave. Choose to be kind to yourself. Choose to keep going, even when it is hard. I believe in you. You have everything you need inside of you right now. You are ready. Take a deep breath, smile, and go speak English. Until next time, keep flowing, keep learning, and keep believing. Goodbye for now.